Hello and welcome. This video is all about how I get free PayPal money and how you can too. Be sure to watch the whole entire video so you know exactly what the method is. And really with this method, all you need is a laptop or a phone and an internet connection. So is it possible? Yes, definitely. When you sign up at the site, you'll see all the recent rewards, as you can see on the left, $20, $10, $5 claimed, all that kind of stuff there. So just listen closely and I'll teach you exactly how to do this. So the first step is you need to create an account. It's really easy to create an account and it's free as well. If you sign up with your Facebook account, you'll also get bonus points. I've linked the registration down below. It'll be the first link in the description. Okay, step 2, the codes. This is the actual method of what I'm teaching you here today. So basically with this website, you can do surveys and make money through that. That's fine as well. You can generate points through that. But the real method here is codes. You can put in bonus codes and then be able to redeem that for PayPal. So what I'm going to be doing for you is keeping the description down below very up to date. I'm going to keep putting in the codes for the free points so you can keep coming back and just redeeming it over and over and over again. Okay, so step 3 is to get the codes and how to actually redeem them. So when you log in, you'll see on the top right hand corner a ticket icon. Click on that icon, a pop down will come up where you can enter your promo code and click go. You'll also notice underneath it'll say you can find codes on our Facebook page. So feel free to find them on Facebook and then you'll be able to find codes every day through that. So once you have enough points and you're ready to redeem them, click on the rewards tab at the top, and then here you'll be able to see there's a range of different things, more than just PayPal, that you can actually redeem your points on. So I'll leave that bit up to you guys.